And any other questions? Looks like we're about to wrap. Let's go ahead and run this.
Yeah, how about machining?
Yeah, I want to run this. I want to run this real quick. Create separate layer. Let's commit that.
There's a question down related to profiling.
Okay, so let's go back over.
How do we machine these?
Let's put that back up here. Turn that off. And so it's not, these operations are not going to line up with my nest because they're on the actual production nest. If you want to look at that, we can go back over to the actual production. Okay. So if you see here, they have their sheets, you know, lined up. So you see what they are. They have them labeled, okay? And they have their milling operations or profiling operations set up at each quadrant. So you have one work 0 for each sheet.
Can you show the display, toolpath displays?
Okay. So there's the profiling toolpath for a sheet that they're calling S6, okay? Sheet number 6. And those are profiling toolpaths. So what I was mentioning in the, we had them stacked in our example. So if you have them all stacked, you only have to have one work 0 and just turn each layer on and off and then program your profiles using the same work 0. I believe that'll work that way.